Walton High-Tech Industries Limited. Walton has set up its own factory on a vast area of land at Chowdhury in Ghazipur, which comprises of 2 million square feet of workplace. Production at this factory started from 2008. Now more than 17,000 engineers, technicians, officials and workers are working here. It is the only factory in Bangladesh where motorcycles, refrigerators and air conditioners are manufactured. Walton High-Tech Industries Limited has been manufacturing advanced technological motorbikes in the country. The primary prototypes of the specific models of 2D designs are made at the Department of Research and Development. After the 3D design, work of different phases of manufacturing spare parts goes on. Later, the models and spare parts are scanned through exclusive and expensive 3D scanners. The design goes to the mold section after it is finalized or confirmed. The specific molds of the designs are made. Chassis is an important part of a motorcycle. It needs to go through minimum 25 different levels to make a full-fledged chassis. Steel pipes are needed to bend to manufacture spare parts. The Department of Quality Control strictly follows the standards at every level. Different spare parts are assembled at the engine section under different phases. A group of highly skilled engineers and technicians do the work of assembling. After assembling, the engine is tested by a computerized machine. Fuel tank is made. It needs to go through several steps to make this fuel tank. After painting on it, external parts are assembled. More than 1,000 spare parts are required to build Walton motorcycles. These spare parts are built through different computerized machines in different ways. Some 100 types of spare parts are made through manual and CNC lathe machines. At least 35 different types of spare parts are assembled at the pre-assembling section. A motorcycle gets its real shape at the production line. It requires several important steps to build a full-fledged motorcycle. After crossing these steps, a motorcycle gets a full-fledged shape. Then it is driven down from the line. After manufacturing, a motorcycle undergoes different types of examinations at the testing section through different types of computerized equipment. Afterwards, it is directly driven to observe whether it is functioning well or not. Then the motorcycle is made ready to supply if it is found at an up-to-date standard. Walton has one of the biggest and full-fledged factories in South Asia to manufacture freezers and refrigerators. They are made at several full-fledged units. Dices of various spare parts are manufactured here. Metal sheets are cut through the most modern machines to make the bodies of freezers and refrigerators. Then the sheets are processed in various ways. Automatic machines are used for cabinet thermoforming. Then inner foaming takes place through a completely robotic method without the touch of hands. Robot makes other necessary spare parts of freezer. Painting on freezers is done through computerized digital method. Then copper condenser and compressor are set on the freezers. Finally, the freezer is tested through a digitalized machine. A full-fledged freeze is manufactured in such a way, crossing various steps. Different packaging materials are produced through styrofoaming and modern machines. After packaging, the freezers are loaded to different vehicles for transportation. Walton air conditioners are manufactured combining high-quality raw materials and latest technologies. Walton gives appropriate BTU and assurance of high quality. The specialties of Walton are LED display and preferred multicolor. Walton air conditioners are manufactured in combination of 100% copper condensers and ultra-modern technologies. Quality of the Walton air conditioners is maintained at different levels of the production. Apart from selling products, Walton gives highest priority to after-sales services. It has Walton Service Management System, which is equipped with ultra-modern technology. This service network is spread throughout the country. Over 500 engineers and technicians are working here. After-sales services reach within just 2 hours at any destination of the country. Only Walton Service Center has the ISO certification in Bangladesh. Walton gives highest priority to the issue of environmental protection in terms of production. So the Walton factory is equipped with environment-friendly effluent treatment plant. Walton has the largest marketing network in South Asia. It has plazas, showrooms and dealer marketing centering 7 divisional cities of the country. The total number of these plazas, showrooms and dealer marketing are more than 2,000. The annual production capacity of freeze and freezer at Walton factory is 14 lakh, while motorcycle is 3.5 lakh and air conditioner 3 lakh. International standard Walton products are now being widely exported to different countries of the world. These countries include Saudi Arabia, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, South Africa, Sudan, Ghana, Nigeria and Myanmar, and overseas to many countries. From the very beginning, Walton is maintaining its higher production growth. Walton is also contributing to improve GDP of Bangladesh. Walton is going to launch some new products. Among them, laptop computer, mobile phone set, 3D LED television, electronics motherboard, liquid crystal module or LCM, etc. Walton has a plan to set up a car production factory within a very short time. Walton, it's our product.